Students, today we are going to learn basic HTML document informations. In its simplest form, following is an example of the HTML document. Here some code is given. This coding is denoting the basic HTML document explanations. Okay, here some tags are also given. Okay, what are the tags is available means here doc type, HTML and head. Okay, so many different types of tags available, they are used here. Okay, so after used this tags, what will be the output? Okay, yeah, this is the output. This is a heading. Document content goes here. Okay, document content goes here. So this is the simplest website and web pages. Okay, the website name HTML, the sample test.html. This is the website name and web page, this and all. Okay, yeah. So how it will be working, that we want to understand. Okay, so doc type HTML head. When we enter the HTML and head tag means, okay, inside the head tag we mention the title. Okay, title means this is document title. Okay, where is mentioned this is heading. Okay, this is heading. That coding where? Here. This is heading. Okay, that will be print there. Okay, where it is available? Inside the body loop. Okay, where we enter the body loop, inside the body loop what we mentioned, this is heading. Okay, how systems are identified this is heading means the tag denoted. What kind of tag means? H means tag. One means the font size. Okay, yeah, one means is bigger value. Okay, yeah, so here coding. Okay, this is the coding and this is the output. Okay, I did for you. Okay, this is the coding and this is the output. See here, simultaneously the two windows also I opened for you. This is coding and this is the output. Here I mentioned, see here, this is the heading. Okay, where that code here. Okay, this is the heading. Okay, here I mentioned, instead of this is the heading, I am going to change. Okay, see here, Kongu Kalvi Nilayam. Okay, I changed it and I saved now. Okay, here I am giving refresh. See here, Kongu Kalvi Nilayam, it's changed. Okay, in that coding where we changed the informations mean that will be affect in that output also. Okay, the output page means website page. Okay, so again I changed it to this is the heading. See here, this is the heading. Okay, I saved. And what is meaning of the H1? H means head, 1 means the font size. I am going to change it to font 4. Okay, see here, instead of 1 I am going to change font 4. I saved now. Again I came here, I am giving refresh. See here, this is the heading size is changed. Okay, so why the 1 is bigger value and 4 is the small value? The rank wise is mentioned. Okay, the first rank, second rank. So which rank is highest rank? The first rank only, no, like that is given. Okay, so the values are low value means the size is the font size is high value. Okay, yeah, that like will come. Okay, so head means the head option where the head is completed here. Okay, this is the document title. Okay, this is document title. Okay, where it is available, the title, head. See here, this is document title. Okay, instead of this one, okay, I am going to change 8th standard. 8th standard. Okay, so the document title is 8th standard. The heading is, this is heading, and document content is this one. Okay, so instead of document content, welcome to KKN, Kongu Kalvi Nilayam. Okay, I saved now. Again I went there, I giving refresh. See here, the title is changed to 8th standard and this is the heading. I didn't change, and welcome to KKN. Okay, did you understood? So heading, inside of the head I given the title what we entered here, that will be affect there, and heading here, and the content will affect there. That content is like a paragraph. Okay, understood? So this is the sample HTML tags. Okay, sample HTML tags. Okay, now we are going to let's know about that tag names and functions. Okay, tag names and functions. See here, some tag names are given. Okay, this is the tag and the description. Okay, what mentioned here means, as told earlier, HTML is a markup language and makes use of the various tags to format the content. Okay, different kinds of a tag is affect the different types of the functions. That only. These tags are enclosed within angle braces. Okay, angle braces. So every tags are declaring by the angle braces. Which one is angle braces? This symbol, less than symbol and greater than symbol. Okay, so between of the word what we mentioned, that mean between of the symbol. Okay, between of the less than and greater than symbol, what we mentioned here means that is called as a tag. Okay, once you open the tag means you must be close the tag. Okay, how we can close it? So here the example for the opening and closing the tags. So less than HTML and greater than. Okay, this is opening tag. This is the closing tag, less than slash HTML and close tag. Okay, so when we entered, when we declared the division symbol, slash symbol is there, no, that when we mentioned means our tag is closed. Okay, this is called as a opening tag and this is called as a closing tag. Okay, like that body and more than one. Okay, it will come one by one. Okay, so now we are going to see the different kinds of a tag and descriptions. The first one, doc type. Okay, what is that? Doc type, less than, exclamation and doc type, here closing symbol. This tag defines the document type and HTML versions. Which type? We mention the HTML description and what are the types of a document type that will be execute in the during of a runtime. Okay, yeah, this is called as a doc type tag. Next one, HTML tag. Okay, this tag encloses the complete HTML document and mainly comprises of a document header, which is represented by head opening and head closing, and document body, which is represented by body and closing body tag. So what we are going to do in Notepad? Okay, so in Notepad we can type normal letter or CSV files. Okay, normal typing, HTML, ASP. So different kinds of applications we can type in that Notepad. So what are the applications we are going for? That we need to inform to the Notepad. So only we are declaring HTML. We must be declare HTML, mean then only the system will understand we are going to type the HTML tag. We are going to create a web pages like that. Okay, now when we enter the HTML means, so system will understand and Notepad is understand. Now we are going to type the HTML tag like that. Okay, good. So head is used to for the head of the document. Okay, and body is used to, after that heading we are going to type the body of the tags. Okay, next, head. This tag represents the document's header, which can keep other HTML tag like title, link, etc. This tag represent document header which can keep other HTML tags like. Okay, for we need to link. Okay, if you are using one HTML. Okay, in that HTML page, see now I am going to show you. This is the HTML page. Okay, the welcome to KKN, the word is changed to blue color sometimes. Okay, like that. Okay, if it is coming like this, when you are clicking the welcome to KKN word means this page is connecting to another page. Okay, that is called linking. For the linking purpose also the head tag is used. Okay, understood? I will show coming the classes and coming the chapters. I will show, I will give the demo for how to click the link file, that and all. Okay, the next one, title, the title of the document, this one. Okay, title of the document. Next we are going to see body. So body tag is used to enter the content of the document. This tag represents the document body, which keeps other HTML tags like h1, division, and paragraph, like that. Okay, so here this area, okay, I will give a small program the coming classes. Okay, you have to do. Okay, next one, h is used to heading h1. One is used to for entering or size of the document. So this tag represent heading, h is heading, and one is represent the size of the font. P is represent paragraph. Okay, P is represent paragraph. So this is the examples of the what is the tags. Okay, so see here, to learn the HTML you will need to study various tags and understand how to they behave the while formatting textual document. When you studied these documents, you can easily create the basic HTML pages, basic HTML or basic web pages using these tags. Okay, learning HTML is simple. Okay, as a user who have to learn the usage of different tags. Okay, it is a very easy one. Did you understood means you can easily create the web pages. Okay, next is the document HTML document structure. How will you mention and how will you declare the HTML tags? Okay, which one have to come first and which one have to come second, and which is the last, and which is the innermost, and which is the most one, like that we need to study first. Okay, if you declare this HTML is inside the document, it is an error. The HTML tag must be, you need to enter in starting position and ending position. Okay, then only system will understand and nobody will understand you are going to type or we are going to create the HTML web pages, like that. Okay, so must be enter here HTML and HTML close. Okay, after that HTML heading, after that heading title. After closed title means you have to close the head also. After the close head, wherever you go and wherever we can start body, it's not a problem. Okay, after that complete that head and body everything, then only finally we can close the HTML tag. Understand? Okay, next, the HTML documents are divided into two main parts, the head and body. HTML tag we have a mainly two part. Okay, the first one is the head and second one is the body. To build any web page, 4 primary tags are needed. Okay, the primary 4 tags must be available or must be need to create the web pages. To build any web page, 4 primary tags are needed. Okay, what are the tags? HTML, head, title and body. It is very important one. Okay, so what are that? HTML first, second one head, third one title and fourth one body. It is a basic one. Okay, it is not a optional, it is not a anything. Okay, but it is a compulsory, it is must be. One HTML tag or one HTML web pages is available means these 4 things must be there. Okay, you go and check it. HTML, head, title and finally the body. Okay, all these tags have starting and closing tag. These tags compulsory we need to open and close. Without you closing your tag, the error will come. Okay, so now let I showing to you one HTML tag is there. No, I didn't close now. Okay, here I started, here also I am opened, here also open, I didn't close here. So what error will come? See here. Okay, see, and head also. Okay, and body also. See here. See here, some mistakes or some problems will come. Okay, so when we open and close it means some error will come. Okay, so see here, I removed the title closing tag. Okay, so when I closed HTML title closed tag means this 8th standard title also is missed. See here, all the problems are created there. Okay, so I'm going to close now one by one. HTML, nothing coming. Okay, again I am closing body, nothing coming. So one by one this is rectifying now. Okay, and paragraph also I am closing now. I mean heading also closing now. It's not coming. Okay, and a paragraph I am closing now. Nothing. And when I is giving the heading title, okay, then the values will come. Okay, this is the heading. So the slash button very important one to the HTML tags. Okay. Now let's see the one by one informations about that tags. Okay, the first one, the doc type declaration. The doc type declaration tag is used by the web browser to understand the versions of the HTML used in the document. Okay, so in your document, what are the and which type of the HTML versions you are using, that one system want to understand. Okay, for that we are using the doc type tag. Okay, current versions of HTML is 5 and it's make use of the following declaration. Okay, the current versions of the HTML means 5. Okay, maybe these questions will come for the home test. Okay, homework. Okay, study very well. So when we entered like this, less than exclamation doc type HTML and greater than symbols means it will come the versions of the HTML name. Okay, there are many other declaration types which can be used in HTML document depending on what versions of HTML is being used. Okay, what are the different types of the what are the type of HTML we are using in the document HTML, that will be identified, that will be understand through that document HTML tag. Okay, so we will see the more details on this while discussing doc type tag along with their other HTML tags. Okay, now see the next tag, heading tags. Okay, related of the heading tags. What are the related of the heading tags will come. See here, any documents start with the heading. Any document start with the heading. Compulsory all the documents are starting with the heading tag. Okay, you can use different sizes for your heading. Different sizes are available, the heading tags. HTML also has 6 level of headings, 6 types of 6 level of headings. Okay, that is mean 6 different size of the heading font size. Okay, which use the elements H1, H2, H3 and H4, H5 and finally H6. The H1 size is a big and H2 is a next small, H3 next small. It will go one by one. While displaying any heading, browser adds one line before and one line after that heading. It will become one by one. Okay, see here they are mentioned different heading tags is available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, like that is there. I am going to enter for you like this. Okay, now how can I do means I copy that, in next line I paste that, instead of that H1 I giving 2, again 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so 6 tags I mentioned. Okay, see the result of the output. Okay, see here one by one it is coming. So first one, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it will come one by one, or maybe this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 tags there. Okay, what that 6 tags were meaning value, it is coming like this. Okay, so one is bigger and next is small and next is